Welcome to this video. If you're using Chrome and your microphone isn't working properly, or you'd like to switch to a different one, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change your default microphone in Google Chrome for better sound input. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window. Then, from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. After that, go to the left sidebar and select Privacy and Security. Now click on Site Settings. Scroll down until you find the Permissions section. There, click on Microphone. At this point, you'll see a drop-down list labeled Default Microphone. Click it and select the microphone you want to use from the list of available devices. That's it. Now you know how to switch microphones in Chrome. If this helped you, consider subscribing for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.